This nigga, this is a transit nigga. Know what I mean? This nigga talking about he ain't want my son eat right here. Talking about pay the fare. Nigga, pay the fare, this shit ain't fair.
It's illegal to be taking movies down here.
No. It's illegal for you to look like that, my G.
It's illegal. Alright?
Nigga, we from Jeff Ave.
Right now. Everything going here is illegal. It don't say nothing about you can't record you back there. We good.
Dumb dummy.
Video cam.
He's tight. Stop, we here. Jeff Ave. You look like a terrorist. Just wrap some shit around your head. You one of them terrorists. We off this.